Hello and welcome to this how to isolate and reinstate zones and devices. Press Menu, enter PIN, press OK. Scroll to Topology or press the associated number. Scroll to Detection Tree, scroll down to your area, choose your zone. Select Execute Commands. Select all zones off. Choosing this, then pressing OK isolates all devices within that zone. To check this, press Menu. Select Message Summary. Scroll to Isolations and scroll right into that. To de-isolate or reinstate a device, as before, Menu, enter your PIN, press OK. Select Topology, drill down to the area you want to reinstate, once selected, press Execute Command, all zones on and OK. That has reinstated that zone which had been isolated. The same applies for a detector. Press Menu, enter your PIN, OK, Topology. Go into a zone, choose the device, and execute command turning the device off. To reinstate, you can also go into your message summary, scroll to Isolations, find the isolated device, then execute commands on, press OK for the required change.